Ooh, I think you're going to like this next one, Will. Grand Theft Auto looks frighteningly photorealistic with this machine learning technique. You love this type of thing, don't you?
Sure, yeah.
Cool. They get the machine learning going.
Is that real?
What you mean real? No, it's GTA.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
GTA right there. Oh, I got you on that one.
That looks like a...
It looks like a city street.
Yeah, the video footage, like the lighting of it looks really convincing.
Well, that's what happens when you're working with machine learning and you work for Intel and you spend a bunch of time trying to inputting real world images.
Ray tracing and everything.
And then mapping them on there because the real world just looks different, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And so you create this really, it's
like dash cam footage.
Exactly. Now, it's important to note, this is not during the gameplay. Like, this has been run on the pre-recorded gameplay footage. So you're not going to be playing the game looking like that, but still, it's pretty cool. Here's how they do it, okay? They got a comprehensive video, by the way, enhancing photorealism. And it's scanning frames and matching with this tremendous data set that it's able to reference.
Oh, my God. Look at that.
Oh, you're believing it. So you're blown away.
So, no, this gives
my goodness gracious. You're yelling and screaming. Look at you. You're ranting and raving.
Yeah. This gives me like a whole new appreciation for like the detail in GTA. Because they built like a framework, essentially.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, there's like so many mods of like hyper realistic like shaders and textures and all that stuff. Like it wouldn't matter if like the models and like little details weren't there.
Yeah.
You know, like even like the little like divots on like the road.
Yeah.
Like the fences, like the trees, like it's just looks great.
Yeah, so one of the things that makes it that I'm realizing now, looking at the difference between the game footage and then the part that's been increased, the photorealism's been increased, is contrast.
Yes.
Like the video game is more vibrant.
Of course, yeah.
But actually video footage, like dash cam footage, if you were to watch a lot of it, which that's part of the data set they use to create this, you notice that it's actually a little flatter, the image.
Yes.
And the colors are kind of more consistent and have a little bit less variance.
Yes.
So anyway, they weren't using any type of neural network situation over here. Instead, they were relying exclusively on Cityscapes dataset, which is a collection of images of a German city's urban city center captured by cars' built-in cameras, so dash cams. And you can see, actually, what was that one compared to? Was that compared to the actual video footage? Go back a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. No, never mind. My bad. Anyway, so we have a long way to go, as amazing as graphics have become. If the agenda is to become photorealistic, this is not the type of thing that can be in-game at the moment, but you could imagine eventually, if the horsepower's there.
Yeah, it's like a...
Can have an experience like that.
Photorealism filter.
It kind of has that effect, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's like it looks like a filter on top of things, but it's actually doing more than that. But that's an easy way to describe it. You got to check out this clip. If you're just listening to this, you got to check out this clip because when you first open it up, you're like, wait, is that the game or is that the dash cam? What is that?
Just looks too real. Wow.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.